let us discuss about the maximum income of a sapphire, 1.4 million naira per week compared to 153,000 naira per day. Okay, so Marlon Santos, the new Ruby executive of IM Worldwide, reached the max out point of 1.4 million naira per week. So Marlon Santos earned 449,000 pesos in Philippines in 2 weeks, and that is 3.14 million naira in 2 weeks, or 3,143,000 million naira per week, and that gives Marlon Santos 224,500 naira per day. And how did this happen compared to 153,600 naira per day? Let us show and let us see. Marlon Santos account, okay, is here, and this person is Catherine Policarpio, is also has BMW and Millionaire Circle of IM Worldwide. So this means that Miss Catherine Policarpio has a huge group already. He has a huge group already. So question, if this leg is already have a huge group, where do you think Marlon Santos will put his next direct? Of course, he will put here on his right side. This is the left side of Marlon, which is have a huge group of Catherine Policarpio, a Millionaire Club Circle member, and a BMW car achiever. Instead of putting here Marlon Santos, of course, for him to earn, he will put all of his new directs here. Marlon Santos have a big group in Kuwait that produced 5 sapphires in last month. That's why all of this production paired to the left, and that gives Mr. Marlon 224,000 naira per day. Imagine guys, Marlon Santos max out, but these points here, since that we don't have flash out, still have points here. How does it happen? How does it happen? Let us see the computation of sapphires. Okay, for you to become sapphire, you need at least 14,000 RQV. So let's see how much is the RQV of how to become sapphire. Bronze is equals to 200 RQV points. Gold is equivalent to 1,000 RQV points. Platinum has 2,800 RQV points. So for you to become sapphire, you need 14,000 RQV. And for us to be easily understand, let us pertain here in gold, which is 1,000 RQV. So that means that for us to become sapphire, you need 14 golds to become sapphire. Okay, so 14,000, each gold has 1,000 RQV. So that means that you need 14 RQV or 14 golds to become sapphire. So Marlon Santos produced 5 sapphires. So which means that 14,000 RQV multiplied by 5 sapphires, that will give you 70 gold packages. Okay, let us continue. That it will give you 70 gold packages. In multiple accounts, if you are going to compare the gold package, it costs 360,000 naira. So which means that it is closer to 7 accounts. The amount is closer to 7 accounts, which is 490,000 naira. So this 490,000 naira is 7 accounts. That means you have 7 codes. Okay, so these 7 accounts will give you 7 codes to be encoded to become 7 heads, and the gold account is only 1. Okay, so let's compare that the 70 gold packages that you're holding is 70 7 accounts. 70 persons who made 7 accounts. That means you have 490 accounts. Which means that you have 490 accounts holding in your hands that will give you 16 pairs per day, and you have to encode it in 30 days so that your upline will not become flash out. If you're going to compare 490 accounts and divide it by 13 pairs, it will take you 37 days before you encode all of these 490 accounts, so that your upline will be not flash out, or your account will not get flash out. Okay, the comparison. 490 accounts, if you're going to divide it in 16 pairs per day, it will give you 30 days before you encode it. 30 days. But here, Marlon Santos got his earnings in 2 weeks, not waiting for 30 days. And he earned, Marlon Santos earned 3,143,000 naira in 2 weeks. Not in 30 days, but in 2 weeks. This is 14 days. And instead of him to earn 153,000 naira per day, he earned 224,500 naira per day. This is the power of one account policy. Guys, you have to look and you have to monitor. You have to guide only your leaders on your left and on your right leg. 2 legs only are working. Compare to how many legs you scattered your leaders in these multiple accounts. Guys, what I'm saying is the facts, the truth of one account policy. And in this system, even your top 1 in Nigeria, or even the top 1 worldwide in the Philippines, cannot do this system. The maximum that they are making is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Still, no one are doing it 8 legs working. No one, no top earners, even one single one, can do and can maximize the 7 accounts. We discussed about the Sapphire, which gives you the maximum income of 1.4 million naira per week, and the Ruby will give you 2.8 million naira per week. For the next rank is Emerald, that gives you 4.2 million naira per week. Diamond, which our grand upline Cecil Razon is now, her rank is Diamond, which give her 5.6 million naira per week. Blue Diamond, 7 million naira per week. Black Diamond, 8.4 million naira per week. Alpha Mentor, 9.8 million naira per week. And the highest is Crown Alpha Mentor, is 11.2 million naira per week. This is only for pairing, okay? Because what Marlon Santos earned is a combination of pairing bonus, infinity commission, and check match commission. Plus also we have the just for you bonus, the free lifestyle incentive, and the Unilevel. What we shared to you is the single account policy that the Razon family shared to us. I can say this because our mentors, grand mentors, are Hino Razon, Nani Razon, and Cecil Razon, who are one of the pioneers of the great company of who did the multiple accounts. But guys, the system of multiple accounts is the generations before, and it's now the new generation. Guys, this system of I Am Worldwide is truly for us, and we are working hard for us and you guys in Africa to be part of the pioneering team of I Am Worldwide. Thank you very much for listening. This is Mentor Jonathan, and inform immediately the person who shared to you this video. Thank you very much. God bless.